Alright, here's a video of the Insignia $100 tablet with 1 GB of RAM and a quad-core Atom Bay Trail chip booting into Arch Linux. I added a couple of kernel modules, one for the touchscreen, which I had to compile, as well as another one that controls the Wi-Fi, which I also now have working. GNOME login when it comes up. It's actually pretty snappy. I'm going to type my password 1 minute here. That's logging in. Takes a couple of seconds for GNOME to come up, but it does pretty well actually. Touch is actually working. I'm going to connect to Wi-Fi now. One moment, I'll type my password. Alright. As you can see, Touch works extremely well with this interface. I use it exclusively on all of my workstations and mobile devices. This is incredible for a machine with only 1 GB of memory. I could even, I suppose, do some coding, at least if I'm willing to either plug in a keyboard via the micro USB port, or if I do eventually get Bluetooth to work. I'm not entirely used to this interface with just touch, though I've used it for quite a while with keyboard and mouse. I'll launch the browser so you can see some performance. YouTube is slightly hiccupy. I'll launch a new window, turn on grab and drag. Let's turn on the keyboard. All right. Let's look up Google. I disabled the Bildschirmtastatur. There we go. Launch Firefox. I'll launch a couple of other applications just so you can see. There we go. Now it's working. Let's go to Google Maps. No, GOG. All right. Well, just so you can see. It is working. I have some intermittent freezes when it tries to read the memory card, which is probably what it's doing right now. It will actually unfreeze. There we go. I just need to eject the memory card. There we go. Okay. It's mounting that MMC chip. This is actually a pretty nice experience. It's slightly laggy right now. However, that is to be expected. It's a fairly new chip. Linux support is being made possible still right now. So, but all in all, let's look at some GNOME shell extensions. Whenever a web page demands the keyboard, it immediately pops up. I'm very impressed with the level of integration that Firefox achieves. And as you can see, scrolling works. I can open things in a new tab by simply dragging them up to the tab. Of course, it doesn't work while I'm trying to demo it.